Today I'll show you how to make a magic ring. The magic ring is used to crochet amigurumis, which are stuffed toys. When you make the magic ring, you avoid getting a hole in the beginning of your work. It's a tricky stitch to learn, but easy when you get the hang of it, so pause the video when you need to. Take out your left hand and bend these two fingers. Grab the end of your yarn and place it on your fingers with the end here. Secure the yarn with your thumb and take the yarn and wrap it around your fingers, making a cross. Secure it once again with your thumb in the middle of the cross. Let go of the yarn and rotate your hand. Keep fixating the yarn with your thumb while you pull it tight. Stretch your fingers and hold all 4 fingers tightly together. Let go of the yarn and grab your hook. Insert your hook under the first loop and go over the next loop. The hook is facing down to grab the yarn. Keep holding tight and pull it through the first loop. And without loosening your grip, you rotate the hook towards you. It's important that you don't loosen the grip on your left hand. Now we need to grab the yarn you see here. So insert your hook under the yarn and grab it with your hook. Now rotate your hook as you go through the loop and pull the yarn out. Now carefully remove the yarn from your fingers. It should look like this. And you can untangle the yarn end from the loop. Now hold the yarn end and the loop and pull while holding the yarn, and you'll tighten the knot. Be careful not to make it too tight, especially if you're using this kind of yarn. Now take the yarn and pull it to fasten the loop around your hook. If you have your loop up here, it won't be too tight, and you can actually loosen it a little bit more. It's very hard to crochet if your stitches are too tight. Now grab the yarn and place it on top of these 3 fingers. And this is the way I hold my yarn. And I bend these 3 fingers to grab it. And let it go over my index finger. And then I grab the yarn end in the loop with my thumb and my index finger. It takes a little bit of practice, but this way you can control the yarn better. And now we're making the stitches around these 2. It's the loop and the yarn end. Most patterns tell you to make 6 single crochets in a magic ring, so that's what we're doing. Now go under the yarn, both the side of the loop and the end, and go under the yarn and pull it under the other 2 strands. Watch how I rotate the hook. Now go under the yarn once again and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. And that was the first single crochet in the magic ring. Make sure you don't crochet too tight. Let's make the next one. Go under both, yarn over, pull the yarn through, go under the yarn once again, and pull through both loops. That was number 2. Now, under both, yarn over and pull yarn through, yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. That was 3 single crochet. Go under, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. That was 4. Go under, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That was number 5. And now for the last one. Go under, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And that was 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Now let's tighten it. Grab the yarn end and pull. With your right hand, use your index finger and thumb to hold the last stitch you made and pull in the yarn end. It can be a bit tricky with this type of yarn, but you should feel a snap. Be careful not to pull too tight and break the yarn. And then your magic ring is finished. You can see there are no holes. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and free patterns.